Pet cloning has now become a reality. On the forefront, Viagen Pets in Texas. The company says it's been cloning animals mostly from the farm for over 30 years. But now, for a pretty penny, you can clone your cat or dog. Viagen's website says all you need is a small tissue sample of your pet to start the process, and a big deposit, half of the 50 grand for dogs or 25,000 for cats. The company will freeze and store your pet's cells. Then when you're ready, a genetic twin will be born in a matter of months via a surrogate dog. Viagen also says the animal's genes will be unchanged and features the same as your past pet, living a quote, full, healthy, and happy life.